Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and Edge closed before you begin. Once ready, open Registry Editor. Press Win+R, type Regedit and hit Enter. Make sure you navigate to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Edge. If the Edge key does not exist, you will create it in the next step. This is the first actionable step because modifying the correct path controls browser policies system-wide. Keep calm and move carefully. Incorrect edits can affect Windows settings, so plan to back up the registry key. You now create the policy entry to disable in private. Right-click the Edge key, pick New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name that value Incognito mode availability exactly as written, because spelling matters. Double-click it and enter 1 to turn off in private. 0 or deletion keeps it enabled. Once done, close Registry Editor and restart the machine, or at least sign out and back in so group policy changes apply. This enforces the policy at system level and prevents users from opening incognito windows. Finish by opening Edge and verifying in private is gone or disabled in the menu. If the change didn't take effect, make sure you edited HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Edge, not HKey current user, and confirm the DWORD value is 1. Also restart Edge and the PC. As a troubleshooting tip, if something goes wrong, restore your registry backup and set incognito mode availability back to 0 to re-enable in private. If group policy manages your device,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.